This is the original photo and this is the recreation on ChatGPT. So it looks more professional and it is something that you can use for advertisement. And in this video, I'm going to show exactly how you can turn any food photo into something that looks like this using ChatGPT. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is that you have to open ChatGPT and then log in with your account. And for this example, I'll try to convert this serial photo into a more advertisement look picture. Now I'm going to right click on this photo, copy image, and then paste that into ChatGPT. By the way, if you want to upload the photo from your device, you can click on this plus button and then select the file from your device. Now, after that, you have to write this prompt on ChatGPT. You can pause this video and then you can copy this, or you can also just check the full prompt in the video description. Now, I'm going to copy this prompt and paste that into ChatGPT. But do not send the message yet because there could be a few things that you might want to modify. For example, you can change between bowl or plate. You can also change the liquid. In this case, I want to switch from water to milk. And there are some other settings that you could adjust, like the background, the style, the resolution, etc., and also the color temperature and aspect ratio. So after that, you have to click tools and click create an image and then send a message to ChatGPT. So it will recreate this picture, the serial picture, into something that look more professional and can be used for advertisement. So given that this process will take quite a while, I'll just skip forward and show you the result. Okay, so this is the result. It's pretty good actually, but if you're not quite happy with the result, you can run the prompt again and quite possibly you will get a slightly different result. So if you're happy with the result, you can click this download button and then save it to your device. So that's basically how you can turn any food picture into something that could be used for advertisement. Now, if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you around.